So I have a 69 Mustang, hasn't been driven since 71, never been restored. Don't worry, it was trashed. But I wanted to do a review of Control Freak's coilover suspension upgrade for the front end to let you guys know what you can expect to get from it. So here's my original suspension. Got your coil spring. You had to use a spring compressor to compress it. And that's the main reason why I didn't stick with this one, because I couldn't get this to compress right and almost killed myself. So I'm hoping the coilover makes it easier. You got the stamped upper control arm. You got the bar for connecting to the fender apron. You got a stamped lower control arm. And this is the stabilizer bar that ties to the lower control arm. Here's your spindle. And the original shock that came with the car in '69. Like I said, it hadn't been driven since '71, so it even still has a paper tag on it. And I guess they were green. So I'm not going to really open these bags from Control Freak because I'm not ready to put it on quite yet. But the upper control arm is tubular. It's obviously a lot more rigid than the original. And I believe these are the arms, to connect it to the frame apron. And you get new shock tower covers, and that holds the spring in. A hardware bag. Comes with these Viking shocks. I don't really know much about them, but apparently you can set the ride height with it. And the box is for the other one. And then lower control arm. It's tubular with a stamped top end. So should be a lot stronger. Here's the spring that comes with it. Fits right over the coil on the box with the other spring in it. Here's the box with the other lower control arm. So just wanted to do a quick review of what you get if you order it from them. I think it cost me $1,800, and it took them an extra couple weeks to get to me because the whole pandemic and getting powder coating done. But they have a guy named Owl that works there. He'll answer pretty much any email the same day with useful information. So their customer support, I gotta say, is pretty good. So I'm looking forward to putting this on. I'll do another video once I have it on. It'll probably be a long time before I can drive it and tell you what it was like. And I never really drove it with the old suspension, so I can't really give you a comparison on that. But it looks like it's going to be a lot easier to put on and deal with than restoring all the old suspension, and especially the spring compressor. Alright, just in case anyone wanted to see what you get from them. See you guys later.